Well, I hope you enjoyed that walk through the pines there. This is our final destination on this walk. Just taking a short video because I just want to take it all in, you know. Leaves are starting to change. You can see some color here. This is Wildwood Lake. Yeah, this is Wildwood Lake. Very beautiful. Nice breeze today. Beautiful lake here. See if I could try to have time to walk to the other side too, but this is very nice over here. Yeah, we got a little splash of color here, a little bit, and of course, those great shapes. Yeah, some nice color coming in. Colors may be a little early this year because of the drought. Here's the lake again. Some type of asters, I think. So pretty. These come out in the fall. I've got another viewpoint of the river to look at. The lake, I mean. Some beautiful old pitch pines here. I was taking another look. I think this looks this view is gonna be a little bit better. Kind of facing another wind. We have a northeast wind today. Oh yeah, look at that. Actually, I might want to get over to that spot over there on that side. Look at those colors over there. We got turkey. Some nice pines over there. Just gonna look over here for a minute because I thought I saw some nice colors over here. Start to see a little bit of it. There's some color in these trees here. It's a little early, but again, because of the drought, I'm probably gonna see the trees change early. This is a very nice spot for color. Probably won't be peaking for another week or two. Well, thank you for joining me for this little walk here in the Pine Barrens, and that'll be it. Hopefully we're going to get to Fire Island soon. Thank you for watching, and remember what it's all about. It's all about those great shapes.